Hi, welcome to week 4. So this week we're going to be talking about a special topic, really, just kind of focusing on big data and analytics with big data and what that means to us. We've gone over analytics in general and analysis. Kind of how do you structure analysis? How do you look at a problem, break it down, and be able to approach a problem set? So that's important. It's that's sort of the ground floor of what we need to be able to do. Now we're going to look at the technology that's available to us now that's really come about in the last few years due to the prevalence of search engines, the prevalence of the internet, the prevalence of low-cost storage and high-powered multi-core processing computing that's allowed us now to look at huge data sets, which means that we can ask questions that we couldn't really ask in the past and get answers for in a reasonable time frame. Now we can actually do that. And so that kind of opens up the aperture a little bit for what we can go look at. And allows us to do some predictions based on all that data. So we'll get into all that. But that's what this week's about. So welcome to week 4. We'll be talking about big data. We will have an assignment that is a little bit based in the Data Smart book that you're going to be taking a look at. Really what I'm just trying to do is get you to get a feel for what kinds of things you would use, algorithms that typically go across big data. We'll learn about those algorithms and do a quick assignment on one of them. And then we'll have a discussion question and a quiz, to go through the normal course of the week. So presentation, read through it. We'll cover the key elements that are really the main things I really want you to take away from a big data conversation, and we'll go from there. So welcome to week 4.